Hello my friends. Today I will be giving away 50 Lightroom presets for free. The file is password protected. Please check the password in this video. The password will appear anytime in the upper right corner of the screen. And now I will show you how to use DNG files. The first step. Import the preset that you downloaded. Then press the triple dot in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select Copy Settings. And paste the settings onto your photo that you want to edit. Done. So easy, right? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.